This is security analysis, chapter number 6, strategic financial management, say final. Security analysis. What's the need for security analysis? We all make investment decisions. What do we base our decisions on? We base it on the analysis of the market. And the market is so quick in their changes that today a particular share might be at a very high price and tomorrow it might change. There are a lot of influencing factors. We have the management policies and the industrial changes, the economic policy changes, the government, and everything. So there are so many touch points to it that we need to be so careful with analyzing the securities and before we invest our funds in it. So when we say analyze, what is being analyzed here? We are analyzing the risk return profile of these securities. So we want to know, okay, so what will be the return if I'm ready to take the given amount of risk, or how much can I minimize the risk, and if the risk is say 0, and what will be the return. So on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being the no risk and 10 being the highest risk, we would like to know at every stage what is going to be the returns that we're going to realize, what is the reward that an investor will get by taking the given amount of risk. So all of this is being analyzed in securities market, and like we have access to a lot of sensitive data and information. So from that, when we do the security analysis, we can understand the value of a company, and we can also understand whether we need to purchase it to make a profit or whether we need to sell it to make a profit, and or if we need to hold it. So now when we say security analysis, it has we have two approaches to it. So the first one is the fundamental analysis approach, and the second one is the technical analysis approach. So under fundamental analysis, what is an analyst do? The analyst takes into consideration the factors which affect the risk return characteristics of the securities. So the risk and the return, as I said, from a scale of 0 to 10, we are analyzing. Okay, so if if I'm ready to take a risk on scale of 5, what will be the return? And if I'm ready to take a scale on a scale of 10, if I'm ready to take the risk, what's going to be the return? So that's called the fundamental analysis. And on the technical analysis approach, what does an analyst do? The analyst considers the factors which affects the demand supply position of the securities, and it also takes into consideration the share price trends, uh, the high and low, the share price trends, and the demand and supply position based on the share prices. We will see further details about these fundamental and technical analysis in further videos.